infinitely recyclable. But a lot of the high dollar value alloys that are used in the automotive industry, for instance, and there's a big push to be using more aluminum because it's light, is made from raw materials, which are mined. In order to decarbonize the aluminum industry, you need to use more scrap aluminum. And the SpeedSorter specifically is made to do that. The Applied System Group kind of has a history of being able to develop these complicated solutions in new industries.